This is a video about the ductless mini split I purchased from Ingram's Water and Air. Purchased a 9,000 BTU heating and cooling ductless mini split. As you can see, it's sitting here on the pad that I mounted it on outside. I'll show you a few things about it and how I put it in. You can see I just mounted it on a standard AC pad that I purchased from an AC supply store. Those are the connections going to the shut-off box, and then also all the condensate lines, as well as the cooling lines that I hooked up, running up through a chase that then goes up into the garage attic. This is the lines coming back into the garage attic. You see I coiled it up because I had a little excess on the lines. I brought a pre-made flared end line, which is about 50 foot long. So I had some excess, so I just coiled it up so it had a nice slope to it as it continued all the way out through the garage wall there. And there you can see the condensate line coming out and then making an angle here. Again, the biggest thing is making sure there's a constant slope for the water to drain out. Here's the lines again, they're coming down. They're making a turn, and again, just keeping that nice slope on everything. And the black insulated lines, you see they got the two vapor and evac lines, and also the control wire all just taped together with a white condensate line running next to it. Just standard PVC is what I used for the condensate. This is where it's exiting out of the room. I had quite a long run. It was almost 50 foot. Basically, I just installed a 3-inch PVC pipe up above the ceiling there, and then I just ran all my lines through that. And again, I made sure the PVC pipe had a proper slope to it for allowed everything to drain. For the hookup to the unit, you can just see that clear vinyl tubing. I just used the barbed end and clamped that, and then ran that out down through here, and then just got some standard little fittings to convert that back down into the PVC portion here. That's mounted inside the bedroom. Basically, we had a upstairs addition that we didn't have any ductwork to, so this is why we used the mini split. Again, it's not a standard installation, I would say, because it's not mounted on an exterior wall, so I had to run through those chases that I had shown earlier all the way out outside of the garage. It's been working really great. I haven't had any complaints about it. The controls are easy to use, easy to program, and really haven't seen any increase at all on the electric bill. Again, it's just an upstairs attic room that we turned into a bedroom, so it's not on all the time, but it's been very efficient and very quiet, and been very happy with it. This is the controller. We just simply mounted it to the wall. You can control all the functions for the AC unit from this. You have options of just turning it on and off, or you can set a timer where it'll come on and off for a set time of the day. The only drawback to it is you do have to point the remote at it whenever you use it. It is not wired, but other than that, it's been convenient, and we just keep it mounted on the wall there. As you can see, the unit is on. It's on basically a low fan setting right now. It's automatically adjusts that. It's very quiet. You can hardly hear. Things you can also see in the video, you can see there's a little eye right in the center. It slowly starts pivoting around. It's a really neat feature. Basically, it tracks any hot or cold spots, and it can actually adjust the vanes to cool or heat that specific spot that it sees, basically an infrared camera. And the vanes, again, will automatically adjust and flow the air wherever it needs to go. And it works really well. It's very quiet. It also has a lot of good filter features. There's a couple of different stages of filters, so it helps keep the air clean as well. The only downside of that is obviously you have to make sure you keep them clean. But overall, again, it's been a great little unit. Thanks again for watching the video on the Mitsubishi 9,000 BTU ductless mini split that I purchased from Ingram's Water and Air.